Hello everyone. Today we will start second chapter of our math side book, and topics we have in this chapter are these. And in our current video we will focus on addition of 5 and 6 digit numbers. Last year in class 3 we learned how to do addition of 3 and 4 digit numbers. Let's revise to recapitulate the meaning of addition and terms used in the addition. Let's take a look at the example. It is the annual function of the school and many parents have come to cheer their children. There are 789 males and 456 females in the audience. We have to find out the total number of audience. The total number of audience will be 789 plus 456. Let's add and find out. 789 and 456 are known as add-ins. The numbers which we add are known as add-ins. So the number to be added are called add-ins. When we add 789 and 456, we get 1245 as an answer, which is known as sum of the add-ins. The result obtained by adding these add-ins is called the sum. So the audience present in the school annual function is 1245. That means addition is the process of calculating the total of two or more numbers. It is one of the 4 basic operations of arithmetic. In addition problem, we can have 2 or more add-ins. This is the symbol of addition. Now let's move to our first topic, addition without regrouping or carryover. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Add 32,564 and 13,235. Let's arrange the number as per its place value. Now for addition we always start from ones, then we move to tens, then to hundreds, then to thousands, then to 10,000s and so on. That means we add ones first. 4 ones plus 5 ones is equal to 9 ones. So we write 9 in the ones column. Now let's move to tens column. 6 tens plus 3 tens is equal to 9 tens. So we got 9 over here at tens column. Let's move to hundreds column. 5 hundreds plus 2 hundreds is equal to 7 hundreds. So we got 7 at hundreds column. Similarly, in thousands column, 2000s plus 3000s is equal to 5000s. So we got 5 over here. And in 10,000s column, 3 10,000s plus 1 10,000s is equal to 4 10,000s. So we have got 4 at 10,000s place. So the result which we have got over here is 45,799. So for adding 5 and 6 digit number, we first need to arrange the digits as per its place value. And then we start addition from ones place. We add the ones, then the tens, followed by hundreds, thousands and continue moving to left. That means we move from smaller to higher place. Our second topic is addition with regrouping. That means with carryover. Let's look at the example. In this example, we have to add 42,618 and 37,956. So, we arrange the numbers as per its place value. Now, we start adding from ones place. 8 ones plus 6 ones is equal to 14 ones. Now let's expand 14 ones. It is equal to 1/10 4 ones. So we have to write 4 in the ones place and carry over 1 to the tens place. Now add tens place now. 1/10 plus 1/10 plus 5/10 is equal to 7/10. So we got 7 in the tens place. Let's move to hundreds. 6 hundreds plus 9 hundreds is equal to 15 hundreds. When we expand 15 hundreds, we get 1,500. So we write 5 in the hundreds place and carry over 1 to the thousands place. Let's add thousands place digits now. 1,000 plus 2,000 plus 7,000 is equal to 10,000s. When we expand 10,000s, we get 1 10,000s, 0,000s. So what we do, we write 0 in the thousands place and carry over 1 to the 10,000s place. Now, let's add the 10,000s. We have 1 10,000s plus 4 10,000s plus 3 10,000s, and we get, after addition, we get 8 10,000s. So we write 8 at 10,000s place. So the result which we obtained here is 80,574. Thank you everyone. Let's continue in next session.